Hi, everybody. Winter is coming. Are you ready to drive safely on slippery roads? Don't worry. Let's discover the secret to conquering winter right away. Oh my God, what's going on? Was this a sudden sandstorm? The blizzard scene in the town near Las Vegas is both cold and beautiful, turning this place into a dreamy winter wonderland. Snow removal is a difficult and slippery job, and this person seems to understand that very well. The snow is so thick that with just a blink of an eye, even the car can disappear. On Sunday morning, people woke up to heavy snow, with 17 centimeters, 7 inches of snow measured in Bradford, north of Toronto. Experts warn that more snow is still to come. Snowfall has been heavy on the island of Newfoundland in eastern Canada, with some areas recording more than 1.5 feet of snow accumulation as of Saturday, February 15th. In Obihiro City, Japan, a layer of snow 120 cm thick covered every corner, turning the whole city into a white, impressive, and overwhelming space. It's hard to believe that Obihiro, a city not known for its snow, witnessed the heaviest snowfall in Japan's history. In snowy conditions, 2 tractor trailers ran off the highway and nearly collided. This is an important reminder. Always pay attention and stay safe when driving in bad weather. After a major snowstorm, highways in Iowa were covered with a thick layer of snow, causing traffic difficulties. To ensure people's safety, local authorities quickly mobilized a team of snowplows to work non-stop to clear the roads. Canadians are facing serious impacts from heavy snowfall, causing difficulty in moving and affecting daily life. Snowplows are still working hard on the huge amount of snow. This is what makes the storm especially dangerous. A similar storm, with fierce winds and fierce intensity, once devastated Italy and Corsica, leaving severe consequences. Kilauea volcano, one of the world's most active volcanoes, has had several violent eruptions in recent years. This scene is both terrifying and shows the incredible power of nature. A powerful tornado recently ripped through Tangipahoa Parish, Louisiana, causing chaos as powerful winds blew away debris, roofs, and trees. Climate change is increasing the frequency and danger of extreme weather events. Local authorities advise people to always be ready for emergency situations and not be subjective about weather warnings. In Calgary, Alberta, drivers struggle to navigate slippery roads after the first heavy snow of the season. Although the winter scenery is picturesque, getting around becomes a real challenge. White snow covered Stafford, making travel difficult, with fallen trees and damaged vehicles blocking the way. Many cars got stuck in the thick layer of snow, creating chaos on the road. This car is not on the road, but is drawing its own map and probably praying not to get lost. High winds swept through Omaha, downing trees and disrupting power lines. Hopefully this problem will be fixed soon, so life can return to normal. But what are they waiting for before they run? Unexpected Christmas rain in the city of Gladstone, Australia, brought hope to the people and the parched land, helping to ease the drought and restore crops. A fierce tornado just swept through Northern California, causing chaos as debris flew everywhere and houses were torn apart. Huge waves were still rolling along the coast as the nor'easter continued to move east, leaving its ferocious mark throughout the day. A sudden strong wind blew the tent away, turning it into an out-of-control kite in the sky. True example of how pressure can have unintended consequences. Mount Etna has just erupted, creating a beautiful scene with red lava flows on white snow. Experts monitor, but currently there is no danger to residential areas. However, ash has affected some flights. Northern Mexico has just experienced a severe thunderstorm, bringing hail to many areas, seriously affecting people's lives. A 180-foot-tall floating Christmas tree suddenly collapsed during a strong thunderstorm in Brazil, causing serious consequences. A moment full of tension, making viewers hold their breath and thrill every second. People in Renmark, South Australia, just experienced a strange natural phenomenon when a giant dust storm swept through, covering the entire area in a blinding red sand screen. Immediately after that, bright flashes of lightning tore through the sky, creating a scene that was both magical and terrifying.
Now it's really tearing up some shit.
A powerful tornado was reported in southeast Texas, causing significant damage as debris was sent flying through the air. Scenes of an erupting Indonesian volcano have caused a stir on social networks. This moment is both impressive and dramatic, demonstrating the contrast between humans and the forces of nature. Always stay calm, even when facing the harshest challenges in life. A rare incident occurred in Los Angeles, California, when a fire hydrant broke, causing water to spray strongly into the air and hit the firefighters on duty. It's unbelievable. Is this hail or snow? On a runway in Bristol, Connecticut, a car lost control and spun in harsh hail conditions. Although the scene made many people worried, fortunately no one was injured. Heavy snow blankets London, prompting weather warnings across the region. Roads became dangerous, especially on the outskirts of Uxbridge, where a car crashed into a barrier on Long Lane due to slippage.
Oh, he's gone. No.
This dog seems to be fascinated with winter, as if the snow were his own private playground. Climate change is increasingly serious. Taking action to protect the environment now is necessary to prevent natural disasters. Popocatépetl volcano, one of the most active volcanoes in Mexico, has just had a new eruption, pushing a huge column of ash into the sky. Flights near the area may also be disrupted due to poor visibility. A magnitude 5.7 earthquake occurred in Guanica, Puerto Rico, causing significant damage to homes and stores in the area. Local people panicked. Many buildings collapsed or were seriously damaged. The video from the dashcam is being widely shared on social networks, making many people shudder. This is a reminder of the importance of checking fire safety at business establishments. After a powerful snowstorm swept through eastern Vermont, gusty winds continued to blow heavy snow onto the roads, creating white landscapes and making travel extremely difficult. During the latest eruption, Kilauea volcano in Hawaii launched red-hot lava into the air, creating a majestic but also dangerous scene. Columns of lava and ash rose high, while molten lava flows spread, threatening the surrounding area. A spectacular natural display has just appeared in the skies of Alaska, as brilliant blue auroras curl through the night. The recorded video shows 3 turkeys moving slowly and orderly, as if performing some ritual. flock of birds flying around looks so pleasing to the eye. A camera at a bar in Porticello, Italy, captured a dramatic moment. A fierce storm blew away patio furniture, while a yacht crashed and capsized off the Sicilian coast. The Roswell flood caused extensive damage, inundating hundreds of homes, damaging infrastructure, and cutting off transportation. People are facing lack of food, clean water, and the risk of epidemics. The government is making efforts to overcome it, but the recovery process will take a long time, emphasizing the urgent need for natural disaster prevention. Wildfires are spreading rapidly in northern Argentina, threatening crops, livestock, and people's livelihoods. Firefighters have been mobilized, but the situation is still very tense. Heavy snowfall, accompanied by strong winds, has caused many difficulties for traffic and people's activities. Heavy rain and flash floods in Peru caused serious impacts. Police and rescuers bravely saved the trapped people. Currently, all 3 people are safe and are undergoing health checks. A fierce winter storm has just swept through Chicago, causing temperatures to drop well below freezing. Severe stormy weather always poses unpredictable dangers. Recently, a wall suddenly collapsed amid a strong storm, seriously affecting people and property in the area. After a long period of facing heat and drought, Western Australians are finally receiving precious showers. After a long period of dryness, the showers not only bring refreshment to nature, but also make the players extremely excited. The horrifying moment happened when the plane caught fire right at takeoff. The fire broke out, causing passengers to panic.
That tree over there just came down right in front of me.
Images show trees covered in a thick layer of ice, causing branches to become brittle and break easily. A SpaceX rocket launch created a spectacular scene in the sky of Southern California, attracting the attention of many people. A bright streak of light and a unique halo of smoke appeared in the night sky, surprising many people and capturing this rare moment. Surveillance video recorded a rare scene. A sinkhole suddenly appeared in the middle of a football field in Alton, Illinois. Luckily, no one was on the field at the time, according to Mayor David Goins. Several cars were lucky to escape injury when a balcony from an abandoned building collapsed onto the street in the old town of Cartagena, Colombia. Fortunately, no casualties were reported. Surveillance cameras in Tocopilla, Chile, captured the moment a powerful earthquake occurred off the country's northern coast in late July, creating a dramatic scene. This bear appears to be searching for something in the area. A curious koala wandered around the train station as if looking for train tickets, creating an adorable moment captured by surveillance cameras. Tourists at Sydney train station were surprised when a wandering horse appeared, looking as if it too was finding its way. A curious bear was captured on surveillance cameras, rummaging through the refrigerator in a home in Naples, Florida. Perhaps it was looking for a surprise late-night snack before continuing its journey. Serious landslides at a mountain pass in western Wyoming are clear evidence of the extremely cruel power of nature, making humans small before the anger of heaven and earth. Honduras was engulfed in a fierce flood. Roofs were blown away, trees were broken, and roads turned into rushing rivers. A fierce scene that makes people feel sad. In Guerrero, Mexico, a road suddenly collapsed right before the driver's eyes when he couldn't cope with the heavy rain, leaving behind a shocking and terrifying scene. Unbelievable! The rows of trees in Polotsk collapsed one by one like dominoes, mixing with the roar of the wind. A scene that is both scary and beautiful, like a vivid picture of the power of nature. Typhoon Kong-ray is the biggest storm to hit Taiwan in the past 27 years, bringing strong winds and heavy rain, significantly affecting people's lives.
I finally understood why my plate of food suddenly disappeared. Luckily, the camera captured the culprit behind this petty theft.
Surveillance cameras captured an adorable moment as two bear cubs played on a playground in Pioneer, California, creating a cute and fun scene. Interesting moment caught on camera. A leopard suddenly roamed early in the morning outside the police station, looking as if it was looking for an urgent meeting. Last Chance grade became the focus of attention when a massive landslide forced the closure of a section of the arterial US Route 101. The number of uprooted trees is so many that it's hard to imagine. A huge challenge awaits the cleanup team, but with a persistent spirit, bright days will surely return.
Explore the wonder of Norway, the giant rock stuck in the middle of a ravine. An ideal destination for those who love adventure.
Do you think this is sunset or sunrise? What time of day does this scene remind you of? Huge icicles rise from the iceberg cave, mysteriously reflecting on the still water, creating a beautiful scene like in another world. A flock of king penguins swimming freely among the waves on the beach of South Georgia Island. What an exciting sight. Do you know where this beautiful beach is? The scenery here is amazing. Surveillance cameras at Gaisano Mall in Davao City captured chaotic scenes as customers quickly left the store after a 7.4 magnitude earthquake rocked the area. A fierce thunderstorm swept through Cape Coral, blowing away much debris. Surveillance footage captured the moment. A powerful storm struck right outside a house, creating a dramatic scene. Security cameras captured the tense moment when an explosion occurred near the US consulate in Tel Aviv, throwing the area into chaos. Wow, strange lights suddenly flashed in the night sky in Queensland, like a mysterious message from nature. Oh my God! Seems like this heat has made everything melt. Not even the road or the tires are spared. This car is truly unique, unmistakable. CCTV from the Royal India Restabar in Dubbo captured the dramatic scene. A person had just disappeared when a car drove straight into the restaurant. What a spectacular escape. Traffic cameras in Massachusetts captured a dramatic moment. A tractor trailer lost control, spun and flipped on its side on the Zachem Bridge in Boston amid a fierce snowstorm.
They seem very excited about this strange phenomenon, but in fact it contains mysteries that not everyone understands. If encountered, it's best to keep your distance to ensure safety. This phenomenon is unpredictable. It looks like broken chocolate, but also like soft matcha mochi. Can you guess what it is?
Strange scene at Bear Lake. Mysterious circles on the ice captured by drone. Moment both breathtaking and amazing.